Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and another bite that the bears took from things, so updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, this level still pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened here. I mean, you could throw this example right into a textbook. But from Tuesday, you can see that level did a great job of holding as support. But then when the price broke down below it this morning, you can see the price did try to bounce back up. But surprise, surprise, you can see right where it, struggled right around that area. So again, classic example of that support now acting as resistance. And I'm not saying the price can never, ever get back above that area. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle around that area. And then if there is any sort of bigger bounce to the upside, the first big battleground now becomes, can the price get back above that red line right there? So keep a close eye on that. If the price can push up through there, then the next level you would want to watch closely is their purple line there, the 50 period moving average. You can see that level's already shown itself to be an area of resistance, but I'm probably getting a little bit too far ahead of myself. First off, the price just needs to bounce up more, get it through that original red line, and then, that 50 period moving average would be that next key level to watch. As far as levels of support, this is where I guess you can say some of the bright side. At least this area down here, which I talked about previously via the green line, did indeed hold as support. In fact, not only did it hold as support, it actually, produced a little miniature bounce right here. So that's, I guess, if you want to look at the glasses half full, would be a way you can do it. But going forward, 19 remains that key level of support, which again, good to see that was able to actually hold as support today. But overall, from more of a bigger picture point of view, it continues to be lower lows and lower highs. So the bears are still in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.